The CDC says Pennsylvania had the second highest rate of vaccine doses last week. Today, though, it's changing where you can get a shot. It favors bigger providers over the small pharmacies. I talked with one Western Pennsylvania pharmacy which couldn't understand being left out. Spiro Stefanis has administered 700 COVID vaccine doses since the first week of February. That includes some people who were terrified to leave their home and others who cried as they got a dose in the arm.
This has meant more to me than anything we've ever done here at the Hyde Drug Store.
That's saying plenty. Hyde Drug Store is the oldest continuously operating pharmacy in the state of Pennsylvania. It's been around since 1890. But the State Department of Health has now restricted the vaccine to the larger providers, knocking out the smaller hometown pharmacies.
It's very disappointing, very disheartening. We want to help people. We want to help people as much as we can, and we have the ability to, but the rug was pulled out from under us.
Pennsylvania has dwindled away the small pharmacies. 817 providers have received vaccine doses since December, but now the number's around 250, trying to reach over 12 million people in the state.
I'm not going to say it's a mistake, but there definitely is. Community pharmacies do have the ability to help in this process.
There is a small window of hope for the small pharmacies. While the state has cut them off, the federal retail pharmacy program could still provide the vaccine doses. Those shots would come from the CDC, but the state hasn't turned on the program yet.
This pandemic is stressful for everybody, providers, patients, everyone, all the unknowns. And for us to do the work, do the groundwork, do the preparation, to make sure that we could be there for our community. Hyde Drug Store has roughly 300 vaccine doses remaining. It will be allowed to give them out. The Pennsylvania Department of Health says it's trying to concentrate the providers receiving large quantities of vaccine within a 2-mile radius in urban areas, 5 miles in the suburbs, and 30 miles in rural areas.